In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set passwords on Squarespace. This walkthrough will give you step-by-step instructions to add an extra layer of security to your Squarespace pages, ensuring your content stays exclusive or private as you deem necessary. Whether you're working on a project that's not ready to be viewed by the public or creating a special section for selected visitors, setting up a password is a straightforward process. Let's dive in. First things first, head over to the Squarespace website. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're there, you'll notice the option to log in. Click on Login to proceed. The platform offers a seamless integration with Google, making it even easier for you to access your account. So go ahead and click on Continue with Google. This will prompt you to choose the Google account you wish to use for logging in. Simply click on your Google account and you're almost there. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your website. You can do this easily by visiting your Squarespace dashboard. Once you're in, it's time to focus on the specific page you wish to secure with a password. To find your pages, look for the Pages option in your Squarespace dashboard. This section is where you manage all the different pages of your website. Once you've located the Pages section, the next step involves a bit of precision. You'll notice gear icons next to each page name. These icons are your gateways to page settings. Find the page you want to password protect and click on its respective gear icon. This action will open the settings for that particular page. Here's where you input your desired password. Look for the password field within the settings and type in the password you want to use. Make sure it's something secure but also memorable to you and those you plan to share it with. After entering your password, the final step is crucial: saving your changes. Look for the Save button and give it a click. This ensures that your password settings are applied to your page. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a password to your Squarespace page. Remember, password protecting a page is a great way to control who sees your content, whether it's a work in progress or an exclusive area for special visitors. Squarespace makes it incredibly easy to manage this, allowing you to maintain the right balance of access and privacy for your website. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial on how to do passwords on Squarespace. Remember, taking these small steps towards securing your pages can make a big difference in how you manage your site's privacy and exclusivity. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a comment and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your Squarespace website. Happy creating!